Hey guys, today we've got a customer that has come in. Their buttons are worn out, so we're going to replace that shell for them. First, take these screws out. One. That's two. Get rid of those, we don't need those anymore. You can use the key blade here just to lever this case open, or you can use a flat blade screwdriver as well. But I like to just use that. We're going to keep that because we're going to reuse that, so we'll keep that there. We don't need this one, but it does come with a spare one if you do need that. And you just crack this case open, just like so. That's the old back, we don't need that anymore. In here, two things you need to take out is the circuit board and this little transponder. That's what starts your car, so you do need to take that out as well. Pop that out. There. And the transponder just pops out as well. So we'll keep that. And we don't need that anymore. That's the one with the worn buttons. Now, we don't need that either. We use the key blade. Grab this part. Put your circuit board back in, like that. Your transponder sits in there like that. You can blue tack it down a little bit if you want, just so it doesn't move around, but it should be fine. It's not really an issue. Put the key blade back in. That's the original key blade. Pop the back on. And that just clips on. Just apply a bit of pressure there. Now you've got these screws which hold that blade in. One. Two. That blade's in there nice. Now we've got just a little cover for those screws. That's it. Perfect. Thank you.